A new Jamaican tech startup, Driva Jamaica, an online food delivery service, is Jamaica's answer to Uber Eats. That's the word from Chief Executive Officer of a parent company, Courier Driver Limited, Rajiv Maragh. He says the service is being offered in Montego Bay, St. James, with big plans for the future.
Food delivery has become an essential service as people strive to provide and receive goods on demand during the pandemic. Chief Executive Officer of parent company Courier Driver Limited, Rajiv Maragh, notes the rise of similar companies but says Driva Ja is different.
Well, there's a lot of people going for the space because they see the demand. It's definitely a necessity, right? So there's people in the business, but we're taking what they currently have and we're expanding on it. We're bringing a complete new, more advanced technology that is going to make the process of ordering food and products very fast and more convenient than it is as it is right now. We have some special tech that we don't really want to elaborate on yet as it's in the works, but we really feel like it's way more advanced than it is right now.
Mr. Maragh, a Jamaican-born international jockey, says that the app will allow consumers to track any food or product that they order in real time anywhere in the country.
We are just facilitating the orders, right? We host on our app all the merchants' products, the food and whatever, right? Now the consumers, they'll log into their account and they'll see everything within their radius, delivery radius, that's available for purchase. At the click of a button, they select what they want and they purchase it instantly. The merchant then receives the order and then the drivers are dispatched all through the app. No one has to call anything, so there's no manual involved. It's all by the touch of a button through the sophistication of the app.
Mr. Maragh says Driva Ja is being launched in Montego Bay, St. James, but plans are in place for expansion.
We feel like the Montego Bay is a great launching space for us, a little more confined, and we just want to get our feet on the ground, and we plan to expand island-wide as soon as possible.
He also explains that deliveries will be subcontracted to bearers who sign up to be workers and earn on a commission basis.
They're going to be able to access whatever they want from the merchants, the restaurants and so forth that's in the area. They're going to be able to get their business going better, be able to send the products, their food directly to the consumer with ease, and provide jobs for lots of people in the area, like the drivers and the workers in the restaurants and so forth. So we're really excited about potentially hiring people of all different magnitudes, from our people that works in our IT department to drivers and people working in restaurants. There's going to be a big job growth due to this company launching here and throughout the island.
Representative for the North Coast restaurant Smokies by the Sea, Roxanne Maragh, says the new app will be good for a business even in the long run.
Driva Ja will definitely facilitate increased earnings for Smokies by the Sea. Any other eatery, any other merchant. ENDS was created to assist us with food deliveries after curfew hours. However, Driva Ja will eliminate and make it easier for companies like me to not have to deal with the logistics of the delivery. I prepare, Driva Ja takes it to the customer. So I definitely can see it being fruitful even after COVID or the restrictions are lifted. We can have 24-hour food services for a restaurant that would have been open for a limited number of hours.
Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.